Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we're bringing you this beautiful one owner BF GT Cobra 2007 model car, one owner from new, in absolutely immaculate condition, 9,000 kilometres. It's number 290 of 400 built. Just pop the bonnet for you and show you the beautiful 5.4 litre V8 engine. These were 302 kilowatts. This car was ordered from Closter Ford in Newcastle with the optional navigation system, which is about a $3,800 option, and it also had the rust proofing. So that's where you see in the engine bay the rust proofing. Come around to the side, it's got the big Brembo brakes front and rear. They're just such a standout car. This car has got all the documentation. It's the 6-speed ZF gearbox. It's got the optional navigational system that you see. Closter Ford and logbooks, full service history, even the original sales invoice showing the options purchased. And you've got build number 290 and the odometer at 9,129. And there you've got your wonderful gauges sitting there. The beautiful trim in these, which had the Cobra on the seats, and this doesn't even look like it's been sat in the back. And what we'll do is we'll hear it zoom off. So these were just a beautiful GT in celebration of the XC Cobra. What a better way to do it. That beautiful colour scheme and the burble of that 5.4 litre. Go around to the side, and it's a beautiful cruiser. If you're interested in this car, please call Mike Selby, Australian Muscle Car Sales, 0414 278 604. Thank you for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.